Hey friends, first of all, welcome to my channel. Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. Friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, unique, artistic and stylish and very easy for embroidery beginners, for hoop art lovers, for the ones who are self-designers, who are the lovers of hand art, hand embroidery, thread work, thread painting or anything related to the hand art, especially hand embroidery. Then this video is specially for you guys and the ones who are interested in designing very beautiful, stylish and classy designer ideas related to self-designing of women, fashion and creativities. So very basic and easy hand embroidery stitches have been used to design these whole patterns. Very beautiful, exquisite and delicate color combination have been used to design these bags, clasp bags, clutches, purse, handbags, shoulder bags or any type of stylish bags that girls, women, youngsters, teenagers and every type of moderate age women could carry on with their formal, casual, office, college going outfits, anything, or formal party wear. These bags are extremely reliable, soft, lightweight, washable and reusable, and they give a very beautiful designer style look. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on handmade, hand embroidered designer bags, then this video collection is absolutely for you. Go try these patterns, try to make these patterns onto your already existing in use bags. By trying these color combinations, you can make these patterns onto your bags, laptop bags, grocery bags, college school bags as well. And these floral patterns are not only limited for bag designing, but you can also expand the ideas by designing your shirt, kurti, frock, baby girl frocks or other accessories like mobile case covers, like glasses cover, like vanity bag covers, any other type of accessory that you want to design. You can use these patterns onto those stuffs as well. So if you really like my video and if you want me to share with you some beautiful, creative, stylish and creative ideas on daily basis, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and subscribe my channel right now if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel yet, because you will not regret. You will find daily creative, unique and stylish ideas on everyday basis. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and don't forget to leave comments below my videos and let us know what you want me to share with you or which type of content is according to your interest and choices, and I will share latest, trendy and recent ideas according to your interest and choices. So stay blessed and stay tuned for our latest upcoming videos, and one humble request that please be positive, spread positivity, try to help others so that your difficulties and hurdles could be eased automatically.